Drop it. Yeah.
So I don't know if any of you remember, we've got the birds, of course, the budgies, and a couple of years ago maybe, one of our budgies escaped and got out. Now, that means we've got 6 budgies, right? We've had to separate one because she's got a scaly face, so she's getting treated for that. So we've got 5 budgies in one cage and 1 budgie in another. So I've just come out here to feed the budgies. And there's her up there who is separated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 budgies in there, but when I came out,
oh shit,
this one here wants in.
God. What the hell?
She wants... She just keeps going from there to there.
That's really weird.
And so I'm just going to give her a minute to see whether or not it's a he. Come on. Here.
Oh, Em. What the hell? Are you seeing this? Oh shit.
No, see, she's going back up there. He is.
Just fiddle with the door again.
He is a big boy.
Oh, here he comes, Em. He's come down. No, he's back up.
She's trying to be as quiet as you can.
Why don't you try and get a blanket and quickly, like, no, where'd he go? He's right there. Why don't you try and get like a tea towel and chuck it over him so you capture him? Do you want him, buddy? You want some tail? That's so weird. The weird thing is he's not scared of us.
No. Which leads me to believe he's tame.
Yeah, just careful, Chris.
Stay there, please.
Just like right back. Oh, don't go inside. Don't go.
It's alright, darling.
Yeah.
He just donked his head.
I'm just going to close that so he doesn't go inside.
Alright, well, I'm just going to put this...
Where'd he go? There.
He's not leaving. He's hanging around.
He's sitting up there watching us. It's really weird. Okay, he's just gone there. Em?
Yep.
Careful, slowly. Stay. He's not stupid, Em. You could just lean down and grab him, Dal. No, don't go inside. Shit. Why? No. Jesus, dude! Your heart's beating out of your chest. Why? Don't you dare go inside, bird. It's not Birded Cumberbatch, is it? No, because he was a different bird.
Good boy, just stay there. Alright, we'll wait for him to come back.
Okay, he's back there again. I don't know what he wants. He obviously wants in with the female. He wants the tail. The weird thing is, he ain't afraid of me getting this close. Look, I can get that close without spooking him. Maybe if you just throw it, just hang on. Just careful, Bob. It's okay. Yeah, don't touch the bee. Oh shit. He just,
It's in the house.
he just went inside. Oh no, is it? Shh! Hey, Jen! Jen, come back. If you start if you start back here, look, with the towel up like that, so you can just go chunk. Stay there, guys. Straight away, on top, just go straight. Boom, throw it.
Did you get it?
Got him.
Got him.
So where are we going to put him?
Put him in the female cage, that's where he wants to go.
So what the f have you done with me? Oh, sorry. What the far out have you done with me? Now you can run and tell Mum what we've just spent the last 20 minutes doing.
Mummy, I need some cheese, Emma.
I don't have any cheese, mate, I don't think.
High five, you are number one bird catcher. You
Yeah, okay then, mate.
you will be safe now.
That's all good. Get Mum quickly. Come over, quick. Yes. We got to close it, that's right. See you in there.
Yeah, we closed him in there. Yep. We might put him in the big cage, don't know yet. We'll just see how he goes in there. We had to separate the female with these guys because they were literally like killing her because of her scale face. They knew that she was sick. So don't get the bird seed, mate. No.